Hi, I'm Mary Beth Chalk, co-founder and chief commercial officer of Beekeeper AI. We're here to talk about how EscrowAI, our privacy-enhancing collaboration platform, is enabling the addressing of bias in healthcare algorithms. And joining me today is Dr. Idris. And Dr. Idris, I have a question for you. I'm curious about the Beacon of Hope initiative and why the Morehouse School of Medicine's Center of Excellence for Validation of Digital Health Technologies and Clinical Algorithms is involved in the Beacon of Hope initiative.
So first off, thank you so much, Mary Beth, for the opportunity to talk about our work. So the Beacon of Hope initiative is a historic 10-year investment in collaboration between more than 20 historically Black colleges and universities, Novartis, as well as other partners, including Beekeeper AI. And our goal is really to accelerate the translation of scientific and biomedical innovations into measurable solutions that address persistent health disparities. Now, we do this by the initiative focusing on three core pillars, the first being the diversification of the biomedical workforce, particularly in leadership. Secondly, enhancing clinical trial diversity. And finally, research centers of excellence, like the Center of Excellence for the Validation of Digital Health Technologies and Clinical Algorithms that I have the privilege of co-directing. The main problem that we're trying to solve is the lack of representation of communities of color. Those are the ones who are disproportionately impacted by health disparities in all aspects of digital health and innovation, including research and development, especially in AI ML. The thesis that motivates our work is not that AI is going to magically solve all of our problems, nor is it the greatest existential threat. Actually, my biggest fear is that its benefits will be unequally distributed, with some communities extracting more value and health benefits than others, leading to greater health disparities, even though everyone seems to be doing better. We're addressing this challenge head-on through our research reconsidering the role of race in commonly used clinical algorithms. We're also building infrastructure to ensure resource-constrained institutions like Morehouse School of Medicine and other HBCUs and minority-serving institutions have a seat at the table on this rocket ship that is AI ML, and that we're able to take advantage of the unique role that we play partnering with communities and serving as trusted intermediaries, enabling industry partners and other stakeholders to validate new and existing AI ML models on communities' most precious resource, their personal data.
Dr. Idris, as you think about the work of the COE for the validation of clinical algorithms, what will Beekeeper enable you to do, and how does this ultimately allow you to achieve your mission of uncovering and addressing disparities in algorithms?
Where do I start? The main benefit for our COE is partnering with Beekeeper AI is that we now have a technology infrastructure that allows us to take advantage of best-in-class confidential compute and privacy-preserving services for validating any AI ML model on our data. We now have the capacity to partner with any research or industry partner, identify a data set, provide them the metadata to give them a better idea of what the data looks like so that they can prepare their model. We then upload our data set to a protected enclave where they would also upload their algorithm for analysis, and the system does the rest, providing validation metrics. Where we are able to validate their model as bias-free, we then take it a step further and provide a sort of certification, and where it's not, we're able to identify additional opportunities for collaboration to further train their data on our diverse data sets. Now, EscrowAI has, for the first time, allowed us to overcome the biggest obstacle to getting our community involved, and that's really around trust. That's trust that they have control over their own data, trust that they have a say in how their data is being used, but ultimately trust in that they will not be exploited. And that we've identified a technology platform as well as a partner that allows us to maintain this trust that took decades to develop, long before I came to Morehouse School of Medicine. My hope is that the COE can realize our potential as a trusted intermediary and partner with industry and even regulatory bodies to validate AI ML tools for bias and fairness. And our ultimate goal is to ensure that advances in AI ML do not exacerbate disparities, but are used to create and advance health equity and justice.